Hello everyone, welcome back. Is your messages app getting cluttered with old conversations? No worries, I'm here to help you. Today I will show you how to delete messages on your iPhone quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, open the messages app on your iPhone. Find the conversation that contains the messages you want to delete. Tap on it to open the conversation. To delete specific messages, press and hold the message bubble until a menu appears. To delete more than a conversation, tap Edit, then select the messages you want to delete by tapping the circle next to them. Once selected, tap the trash can icon at the bottom left corner and confirm by tapping Delete Messages. To delete an entire conversation, go back to the list of conversations, swipe left on the conversation you want to delete, and tap the red Delete button. Confirm your decision by tapping Delete again. If you want to clear all messages, go to Setting, tap on Messages, then tap on Keep Messages. Select 30 days or 1 year to automatically delete messages older than that period. And that's it, guys. You've successfully deleted messages from your iPhone, keeping your inbox neat and organized. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.